Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2024 here in Cleveland. We're still in the Mega booth and I'm with Matthias from Pointelectronic, and you have a new piece of equipment in your booth this year that sounds really interesting for TEM. Can you tell us about it?
Yes, it's a TEM scan controller. A scan controller per se is nothing new. Every microscope having STEM mode has a TEM scan controller. Yeah. What makes us very different is that we have we call it very free microscopy scan controller. That means we have open access. You can code your own access codes. You have Python coding. We offer software support, software development support. We have an SDK. We have a DLL library. And so you can basically control that scan controller just the way you want, not being limited by our software. And you go for your own solutions.
So what would be a good use case for this? Who would be really interested in getting one of these?
So one of the very specific use cases is 4D STEM. People in 4D STEM have very specific requirements and ideas what they want to do with the beam, how they want to control the beam, how they want the beam to communicate with the camera. They need very fast communication with the camera, so they want to be able to tell the camera, I'm ready to move, now you are ready to take your pictures, tell me when you're ready taking frames, and then I can move again to the next pixel, for instance.
Okay, so if people are interested in learning more about the scan controller or any of your other products, where do they find you online?
They find us online on the pointelectronic.de. Pointelectronic, one word.
Yes. Okay, excellent. Thank you, Matthias. And we probably have more coming up from M&M this year. We'll see. Thank you, guys.